Hey guys, I'm Sayan Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I'm the founder of 10xwiththekids.com. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please like it and share it. So without any delay, let's get started. First I'm going to Google Chrome. It is a web browser that I use, but you can use any web browser you like. Then I'm going to repl.it. This is the code editor I use. You can use any code editor you like. And then I will select HTML, CSS and JS. And the name of the project will be Fibonacci series of YouTube. Fibonacci series YouTube. Create REPL. So I have now created a REPL. Okay. So now I will directly make a method called function print Fibonacci series. Okay, so those of you who do not know Fibonacci series, what is Fibonacci series, then I'm just telling you, Google Fibonacci series. Okay, so Fibonacci series is the series of numbers like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So I'll tell you how we calculate. So like if you add 1 and 1, so it is 2. Okay, so you take this second number and take the result of the quotient and then add them both. Okay, so this is the series. So for example, like I'm showing you here only, 1 plus 1 is equals to like 2. Then we will do 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Then we will do 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Okay, so like this. So I'm deleting this all. Okay, and now inside the method, first I will make a variable called first num is equals to 1. Okay, then I'm making a variable second num is equals to 1. Okay, and then so like I will have to make an HTML element. Okay, so first I have to make over here an HTML element. So I will just name it demo. So like div I'm making, so ID is demo. You can name it anything you like, and inside the div I will not give anything. So like in my previous calculator video, I've explained all about HTML. So if you don't know HTML, I once again explaining it. Demo. So like if I put here something like anything and then I just run, so this comes. So you can just print things on the screen using this div. You can do lot of things, but I am using it for printing things. Okay, then I will do document dot get element by ID. So this will bring that element into the JavaScript file by like we are bringing demo, so its ID is used for that. Dot inner HTML, So this inner HTML does like this inner HTML thing does like this RHUUR, the random thing that I put into this inner HTML will put everything that we give over here. So like we give this and then run it. Oh sorry, we are not calling the function. So print Fibonacci series. Okay, and now we are running it. Oh 1 minute. And why didn't it work with plus equals to? Okay, it is working. Sorry, it did not run properly. Okay, so you can understand my point. Okay, and we are using plus equals to because we want to print the series. We just don't have to print one like 1 plus 1. We have to print a series, a whole series, like 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, like that. Okay, so like I will do first num plus br. So this br tag puts in a new line plus second num plus br. Okay, so 1 and 1. So like we saw here that over here that 1 and 1, we are not putting 0. If we wanted, we could just have done like first we could have done like we just had to copy paste this command C, command V is equals to 0 at the first place, and then plus br. So 0 1 1. Okay, usually I ignore the 0. Okay, and now I am doing for variable I is equals to 0. So I less than 12. So I'll tell you why I am doing I less than 12. I plus plus. Okay, so then I'm doing third num is equals to first num plus second num. So let me tell you what I am doing. So like I am doing for var I is equals to 0, I less than 12, I plus plus. So this will loop 12 times. So like 0 it will print, then 1 and 1. Okay, and then it will print like 1 and 1, then it will print 1 and so 2 and then 3 and 5 and like this. So I am just show you the output. Then I am doing document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is plus equals to third num plus br. Okay, and then I am doing first num is equals to second num and second num is equals to third num. So let's see what it is doing here. So like we have done the program, but now let's see what is it doing now? So first it will do, like for var I is equal to 0, so like it will print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So these are all 12. If we had did here 13, so 610 also came over here. Okay, so I am keeping it 12 because I want it to be short a bit. Okay, so now let's see what is it doing. Third num is equal to first num plus second num, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, then it will document dot get element by id demo dot inner html plus equals to third num plus br. So third num is 2 right now because 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here we are printing third num, so 2 is coming here. Then we are setting first num is equal to second num, so second num is 1 over here, and then second num is equal to third num, and second num third num is 2, so we are setting second num to third num. So let's see, like if now it is looping the second time, so this is 1 plus 2, so it sets here 3, and then here over here second num 2, and then third num 3, so 2 and 3 it will 5. Okay, so it's like this. So we have just made the Fibonacci series, and today exercise will be that you have to add a input field over here and add a submit button when like if the player puts 10 into the input field, so this loops value should be that value of the input field when it presses submit. Okay, so this is today's activity, and we have just made the print Fibonacci series method. I hope you like this video. If you did, then please smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it. It motivates me a lot, and it will make me so like afterwards now I will bring new content and better content than this. I hope you like this. If you did, please smash that like button. Thank you. Bye.